वेट एवरीवन इज रेडी?
Yes.
एक मिनट, मेरे में अलग क्यों दिख रहा है?
अरे कोई बात नहीं, तुम्हारे में वही इंपॉर्टेंट है, वही वाला इंपॉर्टेंट है करके दिख रहा है तुमको। 3, 2, 1 लेट्स गो गाइस।
हाय, मुझे बोला गया कि अभिषेक को बिना गाली या बिना कुछ उसकी सीक्रेट्स बोले उसको रोस्ट करना है, बट आई रियली थिंक इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बट स्टिल I don't want to diss Nish because if you've seen her, you know that God already did.
What? How do I get over this Tanvish? What a cutie he is.
When we interrupted our college orientation, तब मेरे को लगा यार ये कितना ओवर एक्टिंग कर रहा है, इसके 50 रुपए काटो।
When was the last time when someone got stuck in Mumbai with all the facilities of good room, AC, good food? Yeah, the guy name is Ajmal and his surname is something like Kasab. I don't know, but yeah, दोनों में similarities बहुत है। दोनों के नाम A से शुरू होते हैं, अजमल एंड आमिर। दोनों को फैसिलिटीज मिल रही है, यू नो, अच्छा फूड, अच्छा घर रहने को, बट दोनों को वापस जाने को नहीं मिल रहा है अपने घर पे। बट एक और चीज थी यार, मैं
Just wait, sorry. Guys, wait. Guys, what you told me that it might be, guys.
Wait, everyone halt. Everyone halt.
क्या हो गया?
You told me it might be a normal roast or this kind of thing. This is something else. You know what this guy is saying?
What is it
This is
saying?
not even dark humor, dark comedy.
Is it? What
He's comparing me with a guy. You know, we can't even say that word openly. He has given so much loss to our country or city,
Yeah.
Mumbai. I came here for you only today. कि मतलब आयुष का show है, तो we shared a good bond. So I was not well also today. And even you know that.
Yeah.
And I still
get it.
came. And you're showing this kind of thing. You should have not even included this in the whole this thing only, video only. मतलब
I
he's
get it.
comparing me with, you know, there is no.
अरे कालू बस हो गया यार, कितना करेगा बस, ये चालू करो
यार मैं अभी और आगे बोला
काफी स्क्रिप्टेड था। आयुष, यू कांट कीप अ स्ट्रेट फेस, यू कांट कीप अ स्ट्रेट फेस। इट वाज वेरी ऑब्वियस, तो हमारे रिएक्शंस देख रहा था एंड
But you know this was real because आमिर ऐसे भड़कता है literally.
अबे चालू करो, अभी ठीक है, अभी ये मजा आ गया, बस ठीक है, चलो चालू करो। 3, 2, 1
Please move Bunty, my baby. 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 What?
Or never have I ever hit on a person just for PR point. Just for PR point, guys. Just for PR. Hit on a person just for PR point.
मैं 3-4 बॉटल पी सकता हूँ। अबे कोई नहीं।
Tanvish, I'm doing it with you. I'm doing it along with you. See, I've never hit on anyone.
अभिषेक
तूने किया होगा।
नहीं, तू झूठ बोल रहा है। नहीं, तू झूठ बोल रहा है।
Second question, guys. Never have I ever shown my juniors dreams of college proxy for fest participation. हाँ ये
वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी।
Every fucking time. सबने भाई।
तन्विश ने ऐसा किया है पोलारिस में।
तो मैंने पिया भी।
तन्विश ने तो भर के किया है।
पिया ना।
Never have I ever been a victim of festival politics.
पूरा अभिषेक पूरी बोतल कटक।
अरे
I can drink 5 bottles. I can drink 5 bottles.
सारे
right
पी रहे,
now.
सारे पी रहे, सारे पी रहे.
अबे
can
आमिर
drink-
आमिर
I can
आमिर
drink 5
फैशन
to 6
शो में
bottles.
सिलेक्ट नहीं होना पॉलिटिक्स नहीं होता. No. I'll tell you. Okay.
Please,
So
please.
धीरज और मैं auditions ले रहे थे.
अरे,
वो
do
fashion
not
audition
that.
ले रहा
What
था.
about that?
चुप कर. अंदर से है तेरे को.
Hmm.
ठीक है. So there were many other people who were more capable of doing it. So he didn't get selected. Now
Okay.
this motherfucker got so offended. He got so offended
हाँ.
and so hurt. He started a group.
A
He
group,
started
Amir?
a group with the name with a WhatsApp group with the
Yelgar.
Haters Club Tanvish.
Tanvish Dheeraj hate group. नहीं Tanvish
you
Dheeraj hate.
नहीं.
Let's make it a point to discuss it after the show for sure.
Exactly. sure.
Yes.
Let's make it a point to discuss it.
भाई हिंट दे देने भाई क्या हुआ क्या था भाई
One
वो
more thing.
भूल जाएगा.
Name wasn't a hate group thing. It was just you were discussing about that. If you won't go to Polaris, that was it. And I didn't go also in the end
अच्छा.
to Polaris, and that was it. The name was in the hate group Tanvish and Dheeraj. And I didn't go also in the end
अच्छा.
to Polaris.
एक नहीं कई सालों से जारी है दरिंदगी का वो खेल.
Type of thing. That was
हाँ.
our group only, friends group only.
आज क्लियर हो गई है बात. Thank you to my show. Thank you guys. I take it from you all. Thank you. The last
okay.
question is a very nice one. Never have I ever. Guys, listening, guys. अरे घंटों कुछ रिएक्शन दे दो.
हाँ बोल.
Starting off with Amir, he's an amazing person, a very good friend of mine now, thanks to Blitz.
हम दोनों डिसाइड किया था कि वी विल ग्रो लॉन्ग हेयर्स एंड हम दोनों सक्सेसफुल रहे इस बात में. बट सिर्फ क्वेश्चन इस बात का कि अभिषेक ने पता नहीं कहाँ के बाल कहाँ उगा दिए.
अभिषेक को कुछ भी बोलो, रात के 3 बजे भी बोलो, अभिषेक वाज ऑलवेज देयर सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम्स है ना. तू सा टेंशन मतलब मैं हूं ना, तू टेंशन मतलब मैं हूं ना.
We're jumping from PR to Workscope and back to PR, and like to jump from one girl to another. Just kidding. Love you.
And Tanvish is problematic at times, but he's really passionate and he's compassionate more than.
Fuck you,
that's
Renuka,
really
and
important
love
when
you
we
a
are doing
little.
a festival.
I think if it wasn't for Nish, I wouldn't even have been a part of PR. So I would like to thank her.
And I feel really, really bad for Nish and Krishita that they cannot. Krish and Nishita that they cannot be PR heads this year, and I always knew back then that they are going to become the PR heads.
Krish again, he was my point of contact, very nice person, very, very sweet.
He is the most energetic person in the entire room. But काम ढंग से ना. काम ढंग से नहीं हुआ तो क्रिश तुम्हें मार देगा. So be aware.
Never have I ever made out during a festival. So let's not talk much about this. I
I'm gonna
think
say never have I ever had a fight in a festival.
अरे मेरा पानी खत्म हो गया यार. बॉटल में बाउंड किया.
मेरा मोस्ट कमेंट है पोलारिस.
पोलारिस में तो फाइट किया किसके साथ?
झगड़ा किया.
नो निश के साथ.
अच्छा निश.
मैं और क्रिश का बहुत झगड़ा हुआ है.
नहीं अरे with the referee that was
आदि था ना.
अगर मेरा कुछ के साथ बहुत
आदि है तो बनता है बे. आदि है तो बनता है. मैं भी करता था बाइक में. आदि नहीं कुछ नहीं भी क्या है कांडू क्या है. But Adi is a very sweet person. We all know that. There will be a rapid fire question now. Okay, very very rapid. I'm pretty sure कि Krish is going to win at this because he's really good at it. From all of these contingents that we had from Blitz 2019, give me one slogan, and whoever gives me one slogan from any one contingent gets the point. 30 pointer.
बॉम्बे राया बाली गुंजेगा बंसाली.
मैं क्या बोलूँगा?
कुछ नहीं याद है. मैं ब्लैंक हो गया कि shit कोई चैटिंग.
देखो honestly contingents भी याद नहीं है. क्यों झूठ बोलूं?
सब ब्लिट्स के पूछे उसने. ठीक है सब ब्लिट्स में थे.
Last year जब सब
उसका भी पूछ.
everybody was a part of PR and nobody had responsibilities
उसका भी पूछ
like
करेगा in.
अबे एक मिनट दो मिनट याद रखने दे। दो मिनट याद।
सबसे बड़ी मुझे एक यार चैंट याद आया।
सबरी आसपास है, मिस्टी सबसे खास है।
सबसे बढ़कर मुझे एक और याद आया, सबसे बढ़कर जोया अख्तर, ये चैंट था।
सबसे बढ़कर जोया अख्तर। हाँ,
वो मेरा फेवरेट था।
But that's the reason you're not getting the point.
चल छोटे भाग आ गया है अनुराग, चल छोटे भाग आ गया है।
बस
I always told this to Choksi also कि जब भी हम लोग वहाँ पे आते थे ऐसा लगता था कि कोर और हम जो है वो एक दूसरे को बचपन से ही जानते हैं. It always used to be a feeling of being at home.
Yeah, like Imtiaz, it was just as if I was coming to meet a family and chill out and hang out with my friends there. It went that easily and I can't thank you enough for that.
There was this dhol walas niche in the quadrangle, and there were so many people dancing and enjoying for like so long.
Yeah, get to know each other, man. It was a great run and I hope for this to run way ahead than it is right now.
Hopefully next year जुगाड़ हो जाए उसने का एंट्री का.
Make Abhishek to work on Dilbar. Not that he's a great person at working, but yeah, it was just a thing that we did. Like हमेशा के Abhishek चल नाच, because he only started to working out of nowhere when he went for a PR visit. And हम ऐसे थे कि भाई इसको क्या हो गया. Then that became a mandate कि अभी तो हर बार वर्क करेगा.
देख, मैं ये वीडियो को डिसलाइक करूंगा अगर मुझे अभिषेक का ट्वर्क देखने को नहीं मिला.
Amazing. So Abhishek, please open the seventh surprise for you, and you will know what you have to do. देख, जो नहीं कर रहा वो बोल रहा है.
1, 2.
Blitzkrieg is there forever as a box of memories, bundle of joys of our beautiful college journey, of a 3 years of our media course. And तो कोई लास्ट Blitzkrieg है ही नहीं यार, वो हमेशा हमारे साथ है, तो फिर दुख किस बात का.
I knew that, I somewhat knew that it was the last. I don't know, like I didn't, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा, ऐसे उन लोग का लास्ट था पर मेरे को लगा था मेरा लास्ट है, तो मैं रोई थी उससे.
Now let's just play the song and let's just dance and let me figure it out. We finish it up.
Yes.
Come on.
Please move Bunty, my baby. Please move Bunty, my baby. Please move.
बैठ के कर सकता है तू भाई.
अरे ये एक सॉन्ग है जिसमें मेरे को बैठ नहीं सकते ब्रो.
Please move Bunty, my baby. Please move Bunty, my baby. What?
Thank you for being there at the show, guys. Everybody, I love you all for being a part of the show.
Guys.
And I will really see you all very soon. Hoping that next Blitzkrieg में अपन आ जाए किधर ना किधर तो. And here we end. I signing off. Unfiltered Kalyan. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 No. You can't end like this. Wait, sorry. ये ब्लिट्स के बारे में ब्लिट्स क्लब किया ही नहीं हमने एक बार भी. Bro.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
और आपके जैसा कुछ नहीं होता, ब्लिट्स हमेशा रहता है.